Hey, and welcome to Cyber's Networking Fundamentals course. In this video, I'm just going to take a couple of minutes to introduce you to the syllabus and to walk you through what we're going to cover in the course. Now, you're currently in the introduction section of the course, which contains this video and a video about the author and the narrator of this course. In the following section, we talk about the fundamental models that have shaped the internet as it is today, the OSI model and the TCP/IP stack. These models are made up of multiple layers, which we explore one by one with examples. We'll then explain how data gets prepared to travel through those different layers in order to reach its destination, and then how that data gets unpacked once it reaches its destination in order to be processed by the receiving device. This section gives us a solid foundation to then extract each and every layer from layers 1 through layers 4 in much more detail. We'll talk about Wi-Fi versus wired connections and devices in the layer 1 section of this course. Then we'll talk about something called MAC addresses and the devices that operate in layer 2. We'll go through examples of how those devices are able to send out information and find the proper recipient of that information. Next, we move on to layer 3, and a lot goes on in this layer. This is where we learn about IP addresses, routers, how routers route information between devices or even entire networks, and much more. Then we have a section dedicated to layer 4, where we talk about different transmission protocols, as well as ports, and again, much more. After that, we briefly go over layers 5, 6, and 7, and because these layers are more closely related to applications as compared to networking, we won't go into as much detail in this course, which is why that section is shorter. Now, finally, we wrap up with a conclusion section that includes additional resources that you will want to check out. So that's it. I just wanted to give you a brief overview of what you can expect to get from the course and also why it makes sense to start from the top and then work your way down. But if you have any questions whatsoever, or if you need any help at all, please feel free to reach out either on Cyber's forums or even our Discord community, and either myself or my co-author Alden will be sure to help you out. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lesson.